Hi, you're welcome to Chrysolyte Beauty. You're welcome to my home studio, and I just want to show you guys how it looks. I'm using a part of my house, my living room, as my studio for my work, and this is Chrysolyte Beauty. You're welcome. So let's just go on a little tour. Coming in, this is Chrysolyte Beauty in one screen. This is it. This is the entire studio. This is my former living room, now studio. This is Chrysolyte Beauty in one place. Here is the nail section. You can see my logo there. Then here is the nail section. Then the waiting area for in case a client comes with a guest, you can sit there. Or when the client is waiting for me, where they are waiting for their skin to numb before I do microblading. Then this is my lash extension area. And that's my chair, my apron. And here is the guest toilet, like toilet for my clients. So, we'll go into it very soon. Starting from my microblading area, here is my microblading bed. Like my lash bed is for microblading, lash bed, microblading. Here is my lash pillow, and this is my chair that I sit on to work on people. Then my apron, of course, because I have to be professional, so I'm always with this apron. This one is because of this chair. As I'm moving, to always move and scatter this wall. I used to have a ring light. But then one day I forgot it in a tricycle when I was going for home service. So since then, I haven't been able to get a new one. So I've been using this small portable 10 inches ring light. And it has been serving me for a while, but I sure will need a new one, a bigger one. But very soon, I will get that one. Very soon, I'll get a bigger ring light. So I have this plastic plant on the wall, then my AC. Here is my trolley that has my equipment that I use. Here now, most of my stuffs are up here because these other parts, because of my child, I have a toddler. So I kept most of the important things here because my hand cannot reach it for now. At least so it's still safer here. Here are my microblading instruments, my pigments, my film, my caliper. Then here are for lashes extension. These are like lash trays and some glue remover. Here is my top border, my tapes, my tweezers are all here, and my ring, pigments ring and glue ring. It's a three-step trolley. Here is my home service bag that I put in here. And here are some other things that I might need. But I know that my toddler is not going to come there because, of course, she doesn't really find our basket fascinating. So she doesn't come there most of the time. And then now let's move to the nail section. I have a toddler. You might not see her, but you see the size because this is naked Sonia on the floor. Yes, this is my electricity meter. And here is my computer, my lamp. This box here, I use it for putting paint. Whenever I'm working on a client, the things I'll need, I'll just put it on here so it will be easily accessible for me. Here is this wall art that I did in 2020. This as well, I painted this also in 2020. Here is a mirror. I'm already diverting. Here is a standing mirror for my clients. They mirror selfies or to just take a look at themselves, take a look at the work that I've done on them. So back to, this is my chair, this is my table. So here are my nail forms. My nail section yeah, locker, and it is up because of course I have a toddler, so it has to be up. So yeah, our hands cannot reach because these things can break. Here are my BIB builder in a bottle, builder gel in a bottle are the ones here. Then I have some gel nail polishes here. Then here is my foods for pedicure. I have like my foot scrub. Here are nail forms of different shapes, different dimensions, and all of those. Here is for my practice, my acetone. I mean, yeah, basically. And below is my pedicure bowl. Here is my pedicure bowl. My pedicure bowl for pedicure is here. Then, as I have said, here is like, this is a chair for my clients to sit whenever they are waiting. And of course, apart from that, there is also a mirror for them to use to check themselves out. I mean, it's a beauty business, so if I need to add lots of like more mirrors, I have this absolutely beautiful wall art as well. Then let's go into the restroom, my client restroom, because yeah, this is strictly for my clients. It's just like the visitors.
This is pretty what Chrysolyte studio looks like at this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel. I love you. Bye.